Goalkeeper Lungile Nkosi is amongst the 5 players that KAIZER Chiefs Football Club are going to sign. Welcome to KAIZER Chiefs Corner, where you will hear all the latest news related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Guys, KAIZER Chiefs Football Club have identified 5 exciting players that they want to sign, and the first player that we're going to be talking about is 23-year-old left winger Tastrick Matthews, a former South African under-23 who is currently playing in Sweden and has already scored 9 goals and had 7 assists in just 26 games for his current club this season. Guys, KAIZER Chiefs wants to sign Tastrick Matthews as a replacement for legendary Keegan Dolly when he finally hangs his boot or leave KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. The second player that KAIZER Chiefs wants to sign is Stellenbosch FC's left back Fawaz Basadian. So KAIZER Chiefs wants to sign Fawaz Basadian as a replacement to veteran defender Sfiso Hlanti, who will be leaving KAIZER Chiefs Club when his contract comes to an end at the end of the season. Yes, we have Edmison Dove, who is also playing as a left back, but the injury, guys, that Edmison Dove has been having makes us to try and find another defender. So it makes sense for KAIZER Chiefs Club to sign Fawaz Basadian from Stellenbosch FC. Now, the third player that KAIZER Chiefs Club wants to sign is young goalkeeper Lungile Nkosi. What a story as far as Lungile Nkosi is, guys. Lungile Nkosi was not playing football for about 8 months. But now he is back and is currently training with KAIZER Chiefs first team, as the club are looking to give him a first team contract. Now, the fourth player that KAIZER Chiefs Club are trying to sign is Donny Jansen, who is also currently training with KAIZER Chiefs Club first team. So Donny Jansen is a cousin to KAIZER Chiefs legendary striker Bernard Parker, who suffered a bad injury against Mamelodi Sundowns when TS Galaxy knocked out Masandawana out of the current Black Label Cup. So both Donny Jansen as well as Lungile Nkosi have impressed KAIZER Chiefs management. In fact, Nkosi is being looked as a potential long-term replacement for KAIZER Chiefs legendary goalkeeper himself, that is ITUMELENG KHUNE, because also like Sfiso ITUMELENG KHUNE, this is his last season at KAIZER Chiefs Club. I don't know if whether Khune will decide to hang his boots or just leave KAIZER Chiefs Club and go and play for another team, because he says he wants to play until he reaches the age of 40. So the fifth player is former SuperSport United defender, that is Luke Flair. Guys, we all know that Luke Flair has been training at Naturena Village. So Mlifenseke himself has come out and confirmed that indeed Luke Flair has been doing very well in training with KAIZER Chiefs Club, and it's just a matter of time before they give him a contract as a new KAIZER Chiefs player. So all the aforementioned 3 players could be signed as KAIZER Chiefs first team players anytime despite the transfer window ending. This is because Luke Flair is a free agent and Jansen as well as Lungile Nkosi are academic products, so we can sign them any given time, guys. So those are the news that we had for you as far as a list of 5 players that could be signed by KAIZER Chiefs Club are concerned. Guys, we need a goalkeeper. We need a goalkeeper, especially taking into consideration that ITUMELENG KHUNE is his final season. He will be leaving the club. We know the mistakes that the other goalkeeper, that is Brandon Peterson, has been making, guys. As far as Buma is concerned, he's not getting any game time under Coach Mlifenseke. So it is about time that we promote someone, because we usually have good goalkeepers at KAIZER Chiefs Club, and hopefully Lungile Nkosi is as good as ITUMELENG KHUNE. He will take that gloves from ITUMELENG KHUNE and continue from where Khune left as a legendary goalkeeper of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club, guys. So this is good news that Lungile Nkosi is back training with the first team of KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Yes, there are 5 players that KAIZER Chiefs Football Club are going to sign, but what about a striker, guys? Mlifenseke himself has come out and said that KAIZER Chiefs Club, if there is anything that they're not doing well, is the striking position, wherein our strikers are not scoring goals. Yes, we've signed Jason Gonzalez. What has he done? How many goals has he scored? And apparently Gonzalez is also going to leave KAIZER Chiefs Club because he's wanted in Romania by the club that former KAIZER Chiefs defender, that is Siyabonga Ngezana, is currently playing for. So when Gonzalez loan contract that he has with KAIZER Chiefs elapses, he's not going to stay at KAIZER Chiefs, he's going to leave. And then we all know that Ranga Chivaviro has been struggling, guys, since joining KAIZER Chiefs Club up front. He has been struggling. How many shots, when given the opportunity to play, has he had at goals? How many goals has he scored? Nothing. Yes, we can sign all these other 5 players, but I think we also need to address that striking department position. We need to sign a top quality defender, but the big question also is, who is available out there that Mulifenzeki can go and sign? And that player, when he comes and don the golden leg jersey of KAIZER Chiefs Club, will they score them goals? Because Ranga Chivaviro is struggling, because Gonzalez is also striking up front for KAIZER Chiefs Club to score them goals, guys. If we can score goals, we've signed good defenders at the back, so we won't be conceding as many goals as we conceded last season. We've also brought the likes of Sumseni Mtete to address that central defensive position, so you will also protect our defense so that we don't concede as many goals. But the most important position for now that needs to be addressed by Coach Mulifenzeki and the management is that striking department, guys. We need to bring in a striker, and KAIZER Chiefs Club scouting people must go out there and find our club as top quality goal scoring machine. So those are the news that we had for you. What do you think? Please comment below your thoughts on this news, and please make sure that if you are new to this channel, guys, that is doing very well. Thank you very much to every single one of you guys who have already subscribed to this channel. We really appreciate your support, and make sure that if you're still new on this channel and if you don't want to miss out on the very latest as far as KAIZER Chiefs news are concerned, make sure that you subscribe, put on those notification bells so that you do not miss out on any video that is related to KAIZER Chiefs Football Club. Amakhosi amahle hle.
Music, as you know, I'm coming from KZN, so basically it's Maskandi, so I'm a rural boy. Haboni ngane zami cela umuzi namangizenzanga izimilo zami zangiqatshana abafana ngaze ngangithola umfana ngithanda nina.
General Tataso. Thank you.